Waterfront Park is both unique and ecologically diverse. It is a coastal scrub community that transitions into a conifer hardwood. It plays host to a large array of native wildlife species, including a gopher tortoise. The gopher tortoise is one of 5 North American tortoise species and is the only tortoise naturally found east of the Mississippi River. Its range includes the southeastern coastal plain from southeastern Louisiana, east to southern South Carolina, and south to Florida. Gopher tortoises occur in parts of all 67 Florida counties and thrive in scrub conditions with open ground cover. They are terrestrial, so please never try to place them in the water. Gopher tortoises live 40 to 60 years in the wild and are frequently misidentified as other turtles and non-native tortoises. Gopher tortoises have stumpy, elephant-like back legs which are not webbed. Their front feet are shaped like shovels for digging burrows. Gopher tortoises also have a special bony plate on the front of their shells directly behind the head. This plate is called a nuchal scute. Juvenile and hatchling tortoises have yellowish skin with soft yellow or orange shells that have dark rings around each individual scute or plate. Subadults and adults have a hard and uniformly gray to brown shell with no rings, and their skin becomes a dark gray. Gopher tortoises live in underground homes called burrows where they spend 80% of their time. Active gopher tortoise burrows have half-moon-shaped entrances with soil spread around at the opening. We call this soil the burrow apron. The size and shape of the apron can vary. Because of recent use, the aprons of active burrows have loose soil and gopher tortoise tracks. The entrance will gently slope. The size of the entrance can range from 2.5 to 15 inches wide based on the size of the tortoise that dug the burrow. Gopher tortoises provide shelter for other species through its underground burrow. The longest burrow on record is over 47 feet long. However, a typical burrow is 15 feet long and 6.5 feet deep. These burrows serve as microhabitats shared by numerous commensal species. These include the currently protected gopher frog, the eastern indigo snake, the Florida pine snake, and the Florida mouse. Believe it or not, over 350 different species share these burrows, most importantly as a refuge during wildfire events. Due to the symbiotic and critical relationship to other Florida wildlife, the gopher tortoise has earned the designation of a keystone species. A keystone species is one that helps hold the local ecosystem together. Examples of other keystone species are tiger sharks, beavers, and bees. If we lost a gopher tortoise, there would be a domino effect on the ecological balance in Florida. The state of Florida has designated the gopher tortoise as a threatened species and has applied many protective regulations to ensure long-term protection. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, or FWC, created and now oversees a gopher tortoise management plan to restore and maintain secure, viable populations throughout Florida. We encourage you to keep your eyes open for the amazing gopher tortoise, but remember, it is protected. You should never feed, touch, or try to interfere with them. If you see a tortoise crossing a busy road, FWC grants permission to move the gopher tortoise across the road in the same direction it was headed, but only if it is safe for you to do so. Do not put your life in danger. We encourage you to report sightings of gopher tortoises and their burrows through the FWC Gopher Tortoise Reporting web form, linked in the video description below. Also linked below is information on reporting a sick or injured gopher tortoise.